How to make a whimsical chandelier using Dollar Tree napkin holders. Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. Today's video is a requested one and I was asked to use Dollar Tree napkin holders for a DIY project. So I'm going to be using these and a board from an IKEA stool from another project. But you can also use wood or a hard DIY board. To start off the DIY, I'm going to be making holes around this. I'll add lights before I continue, and I'm going to be using a remote controlled LED strip lights. I'm going to be making the battery pack easily accessible at the top, and I'll be attaching it to the top using Dollar Tree adhesive tabs. I'll hold down the excess wire with tape. I'll be attaching the napkin rings to what I have with zip ties. Some of my measurements for the holes were off, so I had to drill in some other few holes to make sure that I have it perfectly situated for the napkin holders. Now that I have this, I'm going to be adding 3 under what I have. And I'll be spacing them equally. I was going to put just one here, but then it didn't seem like it was flowing, so I decided to just join 2 together and attach it to the bottom. When I was done, I spray painted the zip ties silver. I'll be mounting this with rings that are attached together and bling wrap that has been cut to smaller strips and will be used as ropes. I joined the bling wraps together with twine and a hot glue gun. This will be mounted on a cup hook that will be on wood suspended on doors just for illustration purposes only, because I'll be giving this to my sister. You can leave this bare the way it is, or you can add garland beads to it. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below in the playlist. Now, for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.